Big reveal. She has not seen it yet. Okay, here we go.
Wow.
Girlfriend. First of all, look at that blowout. Look at that volume. Ooh, girl, ooh. Okay, flip this all back. Looks like a straight up wig. Look at that. So we've got these bright, super vivid roots right up and through here. Through the ends, we have just a little bit of our raccoon blue tails right in through there, but all pastel orange and pink. And these sick coon tails popping out underneath here. Look how bright these things are. We got one there, got one down over there, got one over on this side so that when she pulls her hair up and back, just bam. Nice little peekaboo right in through there. What do you think? Love. God. And we're currently growing out our undercut down here. So whatever we can do to keep us interested before we decide to shave our whole head,